If you have been looking for the right home, the My Newly Remodeled listing is perfect for you. It comes fully equipped with own solar panels, new HVAC, a 200 amps electrical panel, copper piping, and so much more. All while offering the rare luxury of a generous lot, classic ranch-style architecture, and welcoming warm neighbors. The home sits in a highly sought-after neighborhood near the Cupertino and the Los Altos borders, within walking distance of top-rated Cupertino schools and close to the relaxing Serra Park, perfect for game tennis or playground time with the kids. Nearby, the Anza Square and Homestead Crossing Shopping Center provide convenient access to everyday essentials. It's also surrounded by major tech campuses with easy access to Highway 280, 85, and just minutes from downtown Sunnyvale with its Caltrain connection. Now, let's jump inside. Welcome home. Inside, European white oak wood flooring leads into a sun-drenched open floor plan with fresh paint reflecting natural light from the Mugar dual-pane windows. Just off the dining area, the kitchen showcases stainless steel appliances, quartzite, natural stone countertops, and an island with sink, vast cabinetry, plus a lovely pantry. Down the hall are 4 comfy bedrooms, each with its own new closet, along with 2 renovated full bathrooms. The luxury private suites offer dual closets and an ensuite bathroom with stone shower. The serene and expansive backyard is beautifully landscaped and offers the perfect setting for relaxing afternoons, entertaining guests, or simply enjoying the peaceful surroundings. That brings my tour to an end. I'm RENNA, your neighborhood realtor. If you have any questions, feel free to call at the number below. Also, be sure to click the like button and subscribe to stay up to date with all my future listings. And I will see you this weekend. Bye now.